Welcome to my channel, everyone. Thank you for tuning into this channel. We know that it's the summer, very hot summer, high temperatures all over the world. Another thing that is prominent or dominant about the summer in the Caribbean is the fruits. And one of the most dominant fruits is the guava. And they bear in abundance this year. What we're going to do with the guava today is actually making guava jam. All right, so we're going to do our homemade guava jam, and this will be in a different way. There's a little twist to this one, different from what I see on a number of YouTube channels, and it's going to be pretty easy. All right, so let's get started. So we have some guavas here that is picked from the backyard. What we're going to do is to get rid of some of the residues, or some areas of the guava actually. That's the top and the bottom we're going to cut.
Since can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles.
Now we are going to wash the guavas. I'm going to cut the guavas now into 4 pieces. Alright, so that's basically, what did they say, 2 halves. Alright, and put them in the pot, and then we're going to pour some water on it, then basically put it to a boil. Voila, let it submerge in the water, so the water covers it. So it's now on the fire. So this is the amount of water that I put in it. Just let the guava submerge under the water. Just the water cover it a little. Alright, depending on the amount that you are going for. Alright, so this will be on the fire for about 25 to 30 minutes until the guavas are cooked. Right, and then you get that juice from the guavas. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. The guava now looks very soft. Look at the juice, the color of the juice has also changed. So it's ready to strain. And this is where I am going to show you my twist to the guava jam. So I'm now going to use a cup to take the juice from the pot and strain it into the pot that I'll be making the guava jam in. So there it goes. Look at the juice again. Look at the color of the juice. So it's now on the fire, and this is going to stay there on the cook until it gets thick, at a consistency that can be spread easily on your bread, your biscuit, whatever you like to have your jam with. So I will be checking on this, so we have to continue to stir. As soon as it starts to boil, then you have to stir frequently. Alright, so we're going to wait until it gets to a boil, then we start to stir again, and when it gets thick and reach that consistency, then we're going to turn off the stove. So this is it now. It's there. It's not yet cooled. So as soon as it's cooled, then it's going to be thicker and actually where I want it to be. So it's smooth, it's flowy, but not too runny. You have that consistency. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so as soon as the other video is out, you'll be the first one to know.